Martin Tyler here with Andy Gray. Andy, we've been feeling the atmosphere in the stadium. It's really building up.
I love it. Simple as that.
Looking forward to it?
Very much so. And where would you rather be than sitting here watching this game? I love it. I just think it's fantastic.
Well, it's the beginning. I just wonder where we'll be at the end. Game's underway. That's great support play from the rest of the team. Something could be on here. Brilliant opening. Here's a shot. Would he have liked that on the other foot?
Oh, absolutely. You can tell which one's his weak side.
And the ball, for the moment, has gone. They've lost possession. Away from the marker. And he's returned it back to him very quickly. On the attack here. And it's a header. And now, here is the chance to finish it off. And hasn't he done that brilliantly?
Bullseye.